Good evening everyone. Welcome to today's presentation on energy utilization and conservation with a specific focus on the energy audit conducted at Manis Pastry. As we all know, energy efficiency and conservation are critical components of sustainable business practice. Not only do they contribute to reducing environmental impact, but they also offer substantial cost saving and operational improvement. Objective of this project is to identify the energy-intensive process and the operation from the cafe. Secondly, to evaluate the performance and efficiency of the equipment. Thirdly, to analyze and monitor the energy usage data with the load profiling from the MyTMB application. And lastly, to apply necessary energy conservation measures toward load energy utilities. There are three scopes of works. Number 1 is conducting energy audit at the cafe. Number 2 is energy consumption and usage. Number 3 is ESMS. Number 4 is electrical profiling. And number 5 is energy audit reporting. This is the building layout of Manis Pastry and the Gantt chart of job description from the week 9 and week 14. The tools and equipment for testing were smart meter, MyTMB apps, illuminance meter application, and the portable laser distance meter.
Okay, for electrical profiling, TMB electrical tariff for commercial, Manis Pastry and Coffee use tariff B, which is low voltage commercial tariff. Based on the graph, it shows 6 months of annual energy consumption versus annual energy cost.
From December 2023 to May 2024, Manis Pastry and Coffee electricity used very a lot. It peaked in January, February and May at around 7,800 kWh to 7,600 kWh, mainly because of heating or cooling needs equipment, which probably mean higher bills. This is because there are increasing number of the customer in the cafe. In April, a big drop to 2008 kWh, meaning less energy was used and lower cost. It is because in April is during the Raya festival. However, in December and March were average months for electricity use, so costs were more stable then. These changes show how each month can affect how much money is spent on electricity for the 6-month period.
At Manis Pastry and Coffee, our average daily power consumption is around 273.283 kWh, leading to a monthly total of around 8,198.490 kWh. This gives us a clear picture of our energy consumption. The main contributor to this consumption are our air conditioning units, chiller and freezer, which highlights area where we can focus on energy saving. When we compare the average energy consumption, which is about 7,106.6 kWh per month, we see that the calculated estimate is higher than the actual reading. This indicates that there may be equipment that is underutilized while the store is operating. With the data that has been released, we can see equipment that use high energy and can optimize energy use to implement energy saving effectiveness. And this is the electrical appliance that we audit.
For room data survey, RDS, figures showing the graph for temperature and humidity in certain area. From the graph, the smallest area, which is toilet, has the highest condition for both humidity and temperature, which are 70 and 30.1 degrees Celsius respectively. Dry and wet kitchen are in the same area but separated with wall where both temperature and humidity are same value, which are 31 degrees Celsius and 62. Then, the lowest in both conditions is at chiller room, which are 25.5 degrees Celsius and 52. Meanwhile, in dining area, temperature and humidity is at 27 degrees Celsius and 65. For illuminance lux level, from the graph, percentage deviation of lux level are according to calculation based on Law MS 1525/2019. For underlit, it has 5 areas, which are display area, wet and dry kitchen area, toilet area, and chiller room. Then, the overlit and within range has 1 area, which are dining area 1 and dining area 2 respectively. From the pie chart, the percentage of underlit is the highest value, which is 71.42%. Meanwhile, the others, the percentage of within range and overlit has the same value, which is 14.29%. We know that the data obtained may contain inaccuracies since the measurement tools used were not the designated ones.
Next, I will talk about how we use energy at Manis Pastry and Coffee. First, let's look at our overall power use. Our biggest energy user is the approver, taking up 13.72% of our total energy. Next are the freezer 4-door at 9.60% and the AC wall-mounted unit at 8.23%. Others big user are the cake display chiller, counter chiller, coffee machine, water dispenser and oven. This chart shows us where we use the most energy, so we know where to save. Now, let's look at the second chart that's group our main energy user. Freezer and chiller use 50% of our energy. Our air conditioning units use 29%. Others equipment like the coffee machine and blender use 90%. Lighting use only 2%. This chart helps us see where we can save the most energy. By improving our freezer, chiller and cooling system, we can save a lot of energy.
Energy saving measures for no cost and low cost. The first one is clean and service air conditioning filters, which will be doing by the owners. The first effect will be the lifespan of the equipment is increased by routine maintenance, which stops damage from happening. The second one, the units that are clean operate more efficiently and regulate room temperature more effectively. By estimate 10% saving, according to energy saving website by US Department of Energy, by cleaning and maintaining the filters, it can reduce energy between 5% to 15%. By referring to the website, the calculation for Manis Pastry and Coffee can save energy about 2,864.484 kilowatt hour per year from 28,644.84 kilowatt hour per year. The second one will be set the optimum temperature for air conditioning. The air conditioning system in the majority of workplaces uses between 50% and 60% of the energy used. The recommended temperature range for air conditioners is 24 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius per TNB. The optimal temperature range for human living is between 20 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. Raising the temperature of a workplace air conditioner from 20 to 24 degrees Celsius can result in energy savings of approximately 33%. Just 1 degree Celsius more heat in the air conditioner will result in about 3% less electricity being used.
Energy saving measure for no cost or low cost. The third one is unplug and switch off unused devices. Okay, the first effect is turning off electronic while not in use is one way to save electricity. The second one, the risk of electrical fires can be decreased by unplugging gadgets. The third one, saving energy help reduce your carbon footprint, benefiting the environment. Next, less wires and plug-in equipment can make your space look cleaner and more organized. Okay, from the calculation, the power consumption for a year before unplug and switch off unused device is 7,106.4 kilowatt hour, while after the unplug is successfully reduced to 1,614.6 kilowatt hour. The last one for no cost or low cost energy saving measure is promote energy conservation with awareness stickers. The first effect is encourage individual to switch off and unplug devices when not in use. Next, reducing unnecessary power consumption translate to lower electricity bills. In addition, help in minimizing the carbon footprint associated with energy production. Fourth, engage all individuals in a shared goals of conserving energy. Okay, from the calculation, the power consumption for a year before install awareness sticker is 7,193 kilowatt hour, while after install the sticker, it reduced to 5,567.6 kilowatt hour.
Next, for the medium cost, routine service maintenance for Manis Pastry and Coffee air conditioning with 6 units, including ceiling cassette and wall mountain type, the shop consumes 79.56 kWh daily, totaling 28,644 kWh annually. Annual maintenance is proposed to optimize efficiency, reducing monthly energy use by 33.33%. This saves RM9,705 yearly with an RM1,800 investment and quit at 0.37 year payback, enhancing comfort and saving costs. This version distills the key point about routine service maintenance and its benefit for the air conditioning system at Manis Pastry and Coffee into concise paragraph suitable for slide presentation.
We explore the high cost measure of upgrading Manis Pastry and Coffee air conditioning units to inverter technology. Currently, the shop's 2 wall-mounted units consume 23,499 kWh annually, indicating a significant portion of their energy use. The transition to inverter air conditioner promises notable energy efficiency gains by adjusting compressor speed according to cooling demands. This upgrade is projected to reduce energy consumption by 21.86%, resulting in annual saving of RM3,349.49. However, the initial investment for this improvement amounts to RM6,000, a long payback period of 6.4 years. Beyond cost saving, inverter technology enhances temperature control precision, ensuring a comfortable environment while aligning with sustainable practice. This transition represents a strategic investment in long-term energy efficiency and operational excellence for Manis Pastry and Coffee.
Next, we are focused on the high-cost measure of replacing existing chiller appliance at Manis Pastry and Coffee with new energy-efficient model. Currently, the kitchen and chiller room utilize 4 chiller units, characterized by their high power consumption due to outdated design. By replacing this unit with modern type, the new chiller are projected to reduce annual energy consumption by 19.45%, resulting in cost saving of RM6,874 per year. However, the initial investment for this replacement total RM40,392 with payback period estimate at 8.65 years. This upgrade not only improves energy efficiency but also ensure sustainable operation while maintaining optimal cooling condition. It presents a forward-thinking investment in reducing operational costs and enhancing